Hello and welcome back to Data Simplified, and today I'm going to be showing you how to calculate variance. There may be many reasons why you want to calculate variance, quite often in like stock controller analyst roles, category analyst roles, they'll ask you for a calculation on variance. So what we'll do is, we'll see here that we have some fictional sales again from Data Simplified Clothing. We have months down here, we have sales here, and we have profit here. So all we're going to look at are these first figures here. I'll put them in bold. For January and February, the sales amount, and we're going to look at the variance in them. So the biggest secret about variances is variance in most contexts and instances for the question that you'd be asked, it just simply means difference. Sometimes they'll want it as a percentage, and sometimes it will be asked for as pounds. So to start off with, let's look at the variance between January and February sales as a pounds. So all we're going to do is equals January minus February to get the difference or variance, and we can see there that the difference is £38.84. If we wanted this as a percentage, all we'd do is equals equals February, because this is going to be the old new minus old divided by old, as I've told you before. February minus January divided by January. Click enter and then put it to a percentage, and we can see that the percentage difference is 51.37%. Thanks for watching.